Hi friends, today we are unboxing these Picasso tiles. They're 8 magnetic character figures. It's got grandpa and grandma and dad, brother, there's mom, there's sister, there's baby brother and baby sister. It says that these are compatible with magnetic tiles and also with Duplo Legos. Let's see. These are so cute, you all. There's the grandpa. Look at his glasses. There's grandma, and she's also wearing glasses. There's dad. And here's mom. Brother and sister. So cute. And here's the babies. There's the little brother and the little sister. So cute. They're magnetic, so you can use these with your magnetic tiles. So cute. Okay, so these did not work with the Duplo Legos. I mean, you can still sit in here, but they worked with the regular size Legos. So you can make them stand there. Look. So it's the regular size Legos or with your magnetic tiles. So cute, you all. These are from Amazon. So cute, you all. Look at that.